And the race is on, striding ahead. Past Bean rushing up by the rally center number 2, Maypan. Alongside the center number 3, striding ahead. Maypan striding ahead. On the outside, Born Tycoon moving up by the rails, Run the Dance. Under further outside, Mary getting better. And Gold Cougars running at the tail of the field. Maypan by a length and a half, followed by the outstanding favorite is striding ahead in second. Run the Dance running in third, racing on the outside, Born Tycoon and Marie. And rounding the far turn, Maypan by Anek, striding ahead. Is on the outside to grab the lead. It's now striding ahead from the outside, Maypan, Born Tycoon. Mary by the Run the Dance as they race the final corner. The outstanding favorite striding ahead by a length and a half. Born Tycoon on the outside is striding ahead by a length. Born Tycoon on the outside, but she's striding ahead by a neck. And Born Tycoon on the outside, and finally is striding ahead. Born Tycoon, Maypan, Murray getting better. Gold Cougar and Run the Dance comes last.
Okay, 3-4-2.